Yes.
Yes. Hello.
Happy Sunday, everyone.
Good evening.
Happy Sunday, everyone.
All right. Good morning. Good morning from Canada. Good afternoon and good evening po sa inyo lahat dyan. Sa lahat ng mga nanonood sa mga Europe, Asia, America at kung ano man. At tayo ay live ngayon. At kung meron kayong naririnig na maliit na that's my baby. You wanna show yourself? You wanna say hi? Okay, so yung mga gising dyan, itaas ang mga kamay at magkaway-kaway. Raise your hands if you're alive.
Hello.
Say hi.
Yes. Hello, we're live.
Yes. Vicky, hindi natin nakikita yung kamay mo.
Maliit ang mukha ko, yan.
Okay, so ang topic natin today is financial freedom. Sino ba ang ayaw ng financial freedom? Di po ba?
Oh.
Yes, ano po ba ang natin? In 1 to 2 lines, Ate, let's start from Ate Fe. Welcome, Ate Fe, kasi this is going to be the first time na she's joining us, and thank you for for joining the team and joining the live streaming today. Would you like to introduce yourself?
Well, I'm glad I joined in this group. So let me introduce myself. I am Faye Cox. I live here in South Carolina, USA. I am a health worker and I'm also a digital business owner.
All right, thank you. And
Welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome, Faye.
Welcome. Right, and then let's introduce ourselves again. For today, I'm going to be your host. My name is Malu from Alberta, Canada, and a mom of 3 and a full-time project coordinator and part-time here in this business. Ate Edita, you want to introduce yourself?
Yes. Yeah. Hello, everyone. Good evening. I'm Edisa. I live in London, United Kingdom, and I am a maternity nurse.
Right. Ate Rosalie.
Hello, everyone. Good evening, good afternoon, and good morning to all of you. I'm Rosalie, and I live here in Padova, Italy, for more than 20 years from now. And I'm currently working as dental assistant. So that's it.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
Ate Liza.
Hello, everyone. Here we are again. So my name is Lisa Bravo, and I'm here living here in the UK. I'm here in England, and I'm a single mom of 2 teenagers. I am also a nurse, and I am a digital business owner. Doing this business, it's been one of my passion already. So I'm very passionate with this business.
All right. And then Ate Cheryl.
Hello.
Where's Ate Cheryl? There you go.
Hello, everyone. Good evening po sa inyong lahat from UK. Ako po si Cheryl, and isang nurse, mom, and a digital business owner.
Yes, I like your earrings, Ate Cheryl.
Oh, thank you. I just been from our Christmas party.
Yeah. Where's Ate Vicky?
Hello.
Ipakita ang ating kagandahan, Ate Vicky.
Yeah.
Hey.
Hi, everyone. Sorry sa outfit ha, kasi nakasombrero. Pangit ba nakasombrero ko? Ang lamig.
No, malamig.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Nasa labas kasi. Hi, everyone. I'm Vicky from Italy. I'm a ticketing sub-agent and a digital business owner. I'm the older from all of them, from all of my business partners.
No, you
I'm
are.
a mother
You
of
look
2 grown
young.
kids.
Yes.
I'm a mother of 2 grown kids. I'm living here in Italy for 37 years already.
Wow.
Wow.
Veteranang
Okay.
veterana na.
27, that's good.
37.
37.
37.
Tatlong dekada, magfo 4 decades na. Which is not bad. Yeah.
37 na. I
All right.
came here when I was 21. Yeah.
That's nice.
Wow. Yeah.
Okay, so we go back now to our topic. So guys, thanks for being with us. We would like to start by defining or probably saying a few lines about financial freedom. Maririnig natin yan sa mga ka-empowers natin for today. At sisimulan ko yan kay Ate Fe. What do you think in just few lines or maybe one or two words, ano sa tingin mo yung definition ng financial freedom?
Yung definition ko sa financial freedom, yung wala ka nang iisipin ba na magagawa mo na lahat yung you can do the things that you truly love, you know. Especially me, I have a lot of things in mind that I want to do, you know.
Yeah.
Number one is I want to help. So if I have financial freedom, that would be awesome, you know. I don't have to worry. Yes,
When
that's
it
my
comes to help,
that's
both
my
financial help and lahat na ng help, mental health.
Yes.
There you go.
Kasama na dyan lahat.
Lahat, exactly.
Lahat,
So, that's
yun
nice.
Yun ang definition ng financial freedom ko. Yung hindi ka na mamroblema sa lahat ng bagay.
Si Ate Rosalie ba nakapag-introduce kanina?
Yes, I have already introduced myself.
All right, that's good.
Thank
Sorry.
you.
So, yeah, thank you for that, Ate Fe. Let's go to Ate Edita.
Yes, okay. Financial freedom. So for me, financial freedom, yeah. You know, yung bang financial freedom na nagta-travel ka kahit saan, na hindi mo na problemahin yung money that you can travel anywhere. You can go shopping. Yes, anytime. So that's, you know, financial freedom. That's awesome. You know, if we all have this financial freedom, that we can also help our family through this business, is amazing.
Right.
Okay.
Ate Rosalie, what do you think about
Yeah, for me, financial freedom, from the word financial, yung maiisip agad natin is finances.
Yeah. Yes.
So financial freedom, dahil ikaw ay financially free or you have this freedom na alam mo yun sa finances. Ibig sabihin, mako-cover na niyan lahat.
Yeah.
Sa maraming oras, sa pamilya na, marami ng oras to go everywhere. So, that's it.
Yeah, thank you. That's good answer. What about Ate Cheryl?
Yes. Yes. Para sa akin, ang financial freedom, hindi lang naman yung pagkakaroon ng extra income. You know, it is also yung flexibility ko na magawa ko yung mga bagay na gusto ko, kagaya ng, you know, mga importanteng bagay with the family, na matulungan ko sila. Tsaka syempre yung makapag-travel ako, na wala ka nang iniisip na financial stress. Yung magagawa mo, at saka you spend more time sa mga anak mo without worrying about the bills.
Right.
Yes.
I agree. Ate Liza.
Yeah, so I'll just add to what Sis Rosalie has said earlier on, because that's also, I have the same answer as her. So I just take it that two word, financial freedom. So it's just so it's free from financial stress. So you are free of everything. So in all aspects. So it's about you have everything, all the choices, you have control in your life if you've got financial freedom. So I think, is that just one sentence or two sentences?
Yeah, that's good. That's good. Yeah, I actually agree. Yeah, that's actually good. If I give my 2 cents also dito, I would say it's peace of mind. Peace of mind for everything. Kasi nga, tulad ng mga sinabi niyo, tulad ni Ate Fe, you'll be able to help both financially at kung namang help yan. At si Ate Edita is to travel around the world and without thinking about expenses. At si Ate Rosalie and Ate Liza, you're financially free at cover na lahat, sabi niyo mo nga, and you have more time with the family, tapos magta-travel ka anywhere, si Ate Cheryl, no bills to worried about. So talagang andun talaga yung peace of mind, ika nga. So bakit nga ba tayo, bakit napakahalaga ng financial freedom? Sisimulan natin kay Ate Fe ulit. Why financial freedom?
Si Ate Vicky?
Ay, si Ate Vicky pala. Sorry.
Hindi pa nakapagsalita.
Oh my God, I'm sorry.
No, don't
Sabi ko
worry.
si Ate Vicky, wala na. Okay, go ahead.
Okay. Ako, ang financial freedom, at least meron kang savings sa bangko na 7 or 8 figures.
Wow, I love that.
Yes,
I love it.
Ang financial freedom para sa akin yung bang yun lang, dapat hindi ka magwo-worry sa mga unexpected expenses that comes in your life. Tapos kung gusto mong like now, sabi ko, nag-window shopping ako, no. Sabi ko, gusto ko yun. Ano mag-ano na gusto mo. Pero isipin mo na ako, may bibilihin pa pala akong iba. May babayaran pala akong ganon. Yung ganon yung para sa akin yung financial freedom na anytime, every time na may magustuhan ako, ay bibilihin ko without thinking for the bills na darating. At yung yung freedom mo talaga, at saka yung kung gusto mo mag-travel, hindi mo isipin na hindi mo bibilangin yung pera mo na gagastusin mo dahil merong may nga darating na kasi meron kang maraming pera sa bangko.
Yeah.
We love that.
Yeah, totoo yan. Talagang kahit sino naman yung parang mag-shopping galore ka na lang, wala ka nang iisipin kung anong 'di ba? So since na-share mo na rin yung examples kung paano natin paano yung pagkakaroon ng financial freedom na sa ating pang-araw-araw man yan or kung ano man ang ginagawa natin sa mga buhay. So napaka talaga, bakit nga ba kailangan ng why it matters, bakit kailangan if you have all the resources, sabi nga to live on your own terms, bakit kailangan natin ng financial freedom? Anyone can share? Ate Editha, you want to share something about why financial freedom matters?
Yes, guys, financial freedom for me matters. Because it's time freedom is everything. You have time freedom, you can travel, time financial freedom, guys, you can is about you are ready for your retirement without worry. So yeah, it's everything.
Totoo yan.
Yes.
Lahat tayo kasi may mga kanya-kanyang stories, di po ba, na paano natin na iaano yung mga pagkaroon ng pag-support ng mga dreams ng ating mga families financially, kasi lahat tayo naman may extended family bilang sa ating Filipino culture, ika nga, di po ba? So Ate Fe, since nabanggit mo kanina na about help and financial help or kung ano man help sa family, meron ka bang ma-share na real life stories or examples?
Yes, because in my family, I'm a breadwinner. I used to work overseas. I'm a Filipino worker for almost 13 years. I've been supporting for my family ever since.
Yeah.
And to me, financial freedom is really kind of like important to me, because if I have that freedom, I can really do what I want,
Yes, totoo po yan.
The things that I truly love, I can do it. So yeah, financial freedom is really important, because there are times that things comes unexpectedly,
Yeah, totoo po yan.
So if we don't have financial, it's really a burden.
Yes.
Totoo. Tsaka,
just like this year, it's been rough for me because I went back to the Philippines twice, and that's that's not a good came back. It's not a vacation. So
But you were able to meet your family back in Philippines. So that's one
Yes.
way of like, if you're financially free, you're able to go anywhere, anytime you like, di po ba? Right.
Yes.
So let's hear it from Ate Rosalie and then Ate Liza. So some examples, I know we all have jobs. So what ano po yung mga flexibility ng being financially free? Kasi, di ba, nakadepend tayo sa mga work or things like that. Pero meron tayong, again, online business.
Business. Yeah.
Ate Rosalie.
Kami. So, for me, financial freedom really matters kasi alam mo yon, ako dito sa Italia, nagtatrabaho ako for more than 20 years na as a dental assistant. But hindi ko nakikita yung, alam mo yon, yung ang nakikita ko dahil
Ano nakikita mo?
Actually,
Ate.
ang nakikita ko is nung hindi pa ako nasa online business, nung hindi pa ako nag-action is parang lalong patagal ng patagal eh. Patagal ng patagal yung waiting time ko for my retirement. Actually, it's 19 years pa yung hihintayin ko. Hello. So, 19 years pa yung hihintayin ko. So, unlike, alam mo yun, pag ikaw ay financially free, free ka sa lahat eh. Free ka sa anumang anything about you, anywhere you want to go na gusto mong gawin sa buhay.
Mm-hmm.
Or like me, halimbawa, sa anak ko, ako bilang full-time dental assistant, maghapon ako nasa trabaho, hindi ko nga matulungan yung anak ko to do his homework. He do it all alone. It hurts me. Alam mo yon, yung hindi ko siya matulungan dahil nga nagtatrabaho ako. So, having financially free sigurado na yon. Sigurado na ang katugunan na it will change my life. It will change our lives. So, that's it. Go.
Thank you. Thank you. Thanks, Ate Rosalie.
Thank you.
Based on your story, why financial freedom matters? Ate Lisa, naririnig mo kami?
Parang hindi.
You're on the spot.
Sorry,
You're on the spot, Ate Lisa.
Sorry, ladies. Kasi I'm looking
Baka
on
late.
my other side. Kasi nga, tinitingnan ko yung mukha ni Rosalie. Sabi ko, spotlight kami lahat. Yan.
Yeah.
This
is your time to shine.
Kasi nadidisturb ako sandali, alayo ko na lang, ganyan. Yan. So, yeah. So, sorry, I'm just being, so financial freedom for me. So, back to Malo, yung sinabi mo kanina, di ba? Sabi mo, it gives you peace of mind. So, I want to add that one also. And it also like gives you peace of mind, gives you some flexibility. It's the freedom to choose, diba? You have control on everything. What you want to do in your life. So, like for example, if you got financial freedom, you have the freedom to choose where you want to stay, where you want to work, like that, or like if you want to rest, you want to magpahinga ka, you can do any time because you have got that freedom already. And I can there's an example of this because I just want to give an example kasi itong financial freedom, itong business natin, I choose this because I've seen the potential that it's giving us financial freedom, time freedom, and I'm going to give an example about one of our successful leaders in our community. She's also a Filipina, and she's an architect in the United States, and but she's already living in the Philippines for for how many years now? I think it's 3 years or 4 years. I don't know if it's Gina from the US, and she went in the Philippines. She went home in the Philippines for good now with her family, and that's one of my definition of financial freedom. You have the ability to choose and the control where you want to stay without worrying of your finances, without worrying na kung uuwi ka sa Philippines, hindi ka nag-worry kung saan ka, kung may gagastusin ka ba, ganon. And you don't need to worry how you're going to live with your life. And also, financial freedom is also one of my, I can define it as well, is pag may financial freedom ka, you have, there's a big impact on your health. So, because when you don't have financial freedom, it's causing you a big financial stress. And stress can, stress like from living paycheck to paycheck, like that. It can take a toll on your body, isn't it? And it causes fatigue. It sometimes it's because of this stress and worries. It's lack of sleep, and it can give you chronic illnesses as well. So if you're financially free ka, you can focus on taking care of your health, yourself. You can afford like healthier food. You can take regular exercises. You can anything you have the ability and control to choose whatever you want and prioritize whatever is important. You have the free to rest, like that. Can you imagine like waking up in the morning without alarm clock? That's one of my definition of financial freedom. Kasi nga hindi ka na you don't worry to
hindi ka na nagra-rush.
Mamadali ka to go to your work. Kasi you have financial freedom na nga eh. You don't worry to yung parang hindi mo na sa gabi mag-alarm ako kasi pupunta pa ako sa work bukas, ganito ganon.
Yes,
but you have the control already. You have the choice, isn't it? Na hindi ka nagra-rush, and you can also enjoy your morning, and you can also focus on your mental health, everything, lahat. You can everything. Ang lawak talaga ng ibig sabihin ng financial freedom, everything.
I like the part nung sinabi mo na it can take a toll on your body or your health kasi nga iba kasi yung nadadala din naman ng stress, 'di ba? Pag sinabing financially free, stress free, 'di ba? Parang lahat naman tayo gusto ng ganon. And iba yung impact kasi pag super stress ka, nati-trigger yung mga cancer cells, sabi nila, nagbibigay ng stress sa'yo. Kaya
like that.
Exactly, totoo yan. At may mga nabasa at naririnig din, napanood din akong about ganyan na iba talaga yung impact. Like si Dr. Willie Ong, di ba, may ganun.
Yeah.
About sa financial stress, pero hindi niya na-take sa
Oh my gosh.
Di
I've
po
seen
ba?
that on YouTube.
Yeah, iba talaga din. Anyway, mabalik tayo sa bakit napakahalaga ng financial freedom. Ate Cheryl and Ate Vicky.
Okay.
Ate Cheryl?
Yes. Yes. Yung nasabi mo na peace of mind, Malu, and Sis Lisa about the stress, it's kasi ako bilang isang nanay at saka I am like a single mom really, but I have a very complicated relationship with my children. So, doon pa lang, syempre, kailangan kong i-balance yung work and life ko. Kaya talaga most of the time nai-stress ako. Siyempre, iniisip ko ganyan, ganon. You know, kaya naisipan kong sumali o I took a leap of faith to start this business because I know the benefits. I know that it can help me achieve that financial freedom. Kasi it's not just for extra income, kasi kung meron kang financial freedom, you gain that flexibility and yung freedom na matulungan mo yung kagaya family mo o yung my family back home in the Philippines. At saka syempre, I'm getting older. So gusto ko rin ma-secure yung financially yung aking life at saka yung anak ng yung aking mga anak, especially there will be in college, university. So ang hirap nung maisip mo na saan ka kukuha, financially saan ka kukuha nito, saan ka kukuha doon. So yes, this business can help, and I know na marami na rin sa mga na naging successful dito sa business na to, they achieve financial freedom. And yes.
Tama po yan, Ate Cher. At na-witness natin lahat yan ng mga mga testimonials and stories nila. I think you were right na this business, I'd like to add that later sana, pero dahil nag-jump ka na sa natin, sa online business natin, I would like to ask Ate Vicky to add more on that, since nabanggit mo na yung online business. Ate Vicky, why do you think this business provides financial?
Hello. Narinig niyo ako?
Yes, loud and clear.
Di ba may kasabihan tayo na money doesn't give us happiness, but it's a necessity. Yeah. Sa lahat ng bagay, pag mayroon kang financial freedom, you have that peace of mind. You can help your family back home, lalong-lalo na pag may mga medical expenses, di ba karamihan yun ang mga hinihingi nila. Kung may masira sa bahay mo na mga appliances, meron kang pambili kagad. Kung may kailangan ka may kotse, hindi mo na kailangang isipin pa na papautangin kaya ako ng bangko, papautangin kaya ako yung tawag mo dito, kung yung store o yung na bibilihan mo, mag-iisip ka, di ba? Dahil hindi naman tayo every time na pwedeng humingi kung marami na tayong mga binabayarang installment, di ba? Dahil titignan mo kung yung bangko mo ay papayag na bibigyan ka pa rin. Ewan ko lang doon sa US at saka Canada kung yung sa unlimited yung inyong mga credit cards. Yung napakalaking bagay na yung kung lalabas ka, for example, katulad ng sabi ko kanina, you want to buy something na mabibili mo kaagad-agad, na hindi mo na, babalikan ko to sa katapusan dahil antayin mo yung sahod, di ba? Babalikan ko to after 2 months. Napaka-importante din, napaka-importante talaga ang finance sa ating buhay. Kahit na nasasabi natin na hindi of mind. Okay, lang.
I agree, yes. So, halos lahat tayo, andun yung mga similar na mga sagot, having a peace of mind, travel anywhere. Yung impact ng financial freedom sa atin ay napakalaki talaga. Lalo na pagdating dito sa online business, ika nga ni Ate Cheryl, at dun nabibuild yung foundation, sa totoo lang. Kasi once na nandito ka na rin sa online business, dun mo na marirealize, yung paano ka na mag-budget, paano ka na mag-save and all that, at paano mag-invest smartly. Kasi hindi lang yung puro pera-pera dito eh. Meron yung time na i-invest ka, yung knowledge, yung learnings, lahat na ng pag samasamahin mo na lahat, in the end, this financial freedom, anong gagawin if money wasn't a concern, 'di ba? Parang everyone talks about money. Money can't buy happiness, ika nga. Pero pag nagkasakit ka, pag may problema ka, pero pag may mga challenges, parang 'di ba kailangan mo lagi kailangan may pera kasi you need to pay your bills, you need to pay your rent, you need to pay kahit anong kailangan mong bayaran, di po ba? So napakahalaga talaga na magkaroon tayo ng financial freedom. Hindi lang not all about money pero making the right choices, making the right decision, di po ba? So bago tayo mag-end dito sa chat natin for today, ano yung mga major takeaways natin na kailangan nating isipin para maabot itong financial freedom natin? So anyone can share? Ate Fe, would you like to share something?
Sure. Siguro lahat naman siguro tayo alam natin na kung gusto nating ma-achieve yung mga dreams natin, yung sinabi nating financial freedom, kailangan talaga nating magsikap, magtiyaga, magtrabaho. Dahil hindi naman yung kusang darating sa atin kung hindi natin pagtrabahuan.
Yes, totoo yan. Walang magbibigay sa iyo ng gano'n. Totoo yan, yes, I agree.
Kailangan mo talagang pagsikapan yun na maabot mo yung pangarap mo. Ano mang hadlang sa buhay, kakayanin mo basta may pangarap ka.
Yes, I love the spirit.
Yes.
There you go. Ate Edita.
Yes, yeah. Talagang importante talaga yung financial freedom dahil pag meron kang financial freedom, guys, nakukuha mo lahat, natutulungan mo ang family mo. At saka, yung time freedom. Lahat na nandoon na lahat yung financial freedom, nakapag-travel ka, nabibili mo lahat. At saka katulad nung sinabi ni Sis Malu is yung peace of mind.
Mm-hmm.
So at saka yung dito sa business natin, yung digital business natin, nakukuha natin dito yung financial freedom. At of course, we have to work hard, we have to make effort. So lahat naman katulad ng sinabi ni Sis Faye na hindi natin nakukuha ng free, we have to work very hard.
Totoo yan. True.
Yes.
Ate Rosalie, what's your takeaway?
For me, gaya nung narinig ko kahapon kay Angela, ako doon na anyway, sinabi na rin naman yan sa atin before, it's about dream board. Kailangan meron tayong dream board. Siguro meron naman tayong lahat siguro, no? Kasi once na you have this dream board, yung nakasulat kasi doon, di ba? How can I explain that? So, doon ka kasi magpo-focus yung isip mo, yung puso mo, doon mo lang ipo-focus siya Hindi ka, pag mayroong mga negative in your side, around you, hindi ka na hindi ka na anong tawag doon, na matotoka or
mawawala sa direction. Yes.
Oo, doon mo ipo-focus dahil pumasok ka dito sa online business, doon mo ipo-focus yung mind mo. Yung positive mindset mo, doon lang. So, may iwasan na yung mga negativity ng around you. So, this is for me.
Right. So, correct me if I'm wrong, Ate Rosalie. So, you're trying to connect financial freedom, having a vision board, and having understanding, or being positive and being away sa negative na di po ba?
Oo, for me, I think it helps a lot.
Yes, I agree. Yeah, kasi hindi mo naman, kung gusto mong maging financially free, ano yung mga steps na gagawin mo, di po ba? So, tama naman po yun. What about Ate Cheryl and Ate Liza?
Yes, thank you, Malu. For me, how to achieve the financial freedom is by, para sa akin kasi I started an online business like what we're doing now. And, syempre, we have to focus on our goals. We have to be positive You have to keep your mindset right, you know. Kailangan po yan kung nag-i-start kayo ng online business, ng any business, stick to your plan. Kung ano man yung goals ninyo sa buhay nyo na gusto nyo makamit, stick to it, focus, and syempre, don't forget to pray kasi syempre, kumukuha tayo ng lakas sa Kanya. And yeah, that's all.
I agree. Thank you. Amazing. Ate Liza, what's your takeaway in this business chat? Alam ko you have shared a lot earlier, pero
big takeaway na
just
take away talaga na parang talagang talaga yung talagang kasi financial freedom, if you cover it, it's really a varied topic. You can discuss it for a very long time, for how many hours and hours, and we still there's a lot, but let's just think about this way. Financial freedom is it's not the money that brings joy, but it's the freedom that it gives to do what makes you happy, right? So whether traveling or doing all the things that matters to you and your loved ones, like that. So it's not only about the money; it's the joy that brings with it, that comes with that freedom. And financial freedom, it's a gift of time and presence. And for me, it's having a financial freedom is because I'm being a single mom. It's a life changing for me if I will have financial freedom through this business. It's because as a single mom, I am a provider, and I want also to be present parent to my children. So that's what I'm trying to achieve, because as of now, mostly is what I'm my life is I am mostly the provider, because I'm only having a single income. And I with this business, when I joined this business, it gave me a freedom also on my finances, because mostly I do a lot of overtimes, but mostly weekends now I just spend more time to my loved ones, to my children. And that's a life changing for me as a single mom, because I'm always providing in our life. And one of my goal now is, because I haven't achieved my main goal yet on this business, we are getting there, but the main one I haven't achieved yet, and that's what I'm trying to do. And so like so that's my takeaway. Ang dami na. So that's my takeaway, guys. So it's not just about the money. It is the joy that it's going to
exactly. For sure. The joy behind all this financially freedom. That's definitely true. I would like to welcome Ate Sherry here. I think I saw her earlier. Ayan, there you go.
I don't want to miss that. I saw the hurry to go home.
I know, right? Yes, nakahabol ikaw, Ate Sherry. Ate Sherry, you would like to say something? Introduce yourself, and then, why financial freedom matters.
Yes, I was watching your live, and I hear so many benefits of having financial freedom. So I said, yes, we need a business, because the groceries pays a lot. So it's a little bit stressful when you're tight in your financial what do you call what you have right now. If you don't have a side hustle, that gives you extra money, it's quite tight if you just relying on your 5 to 9 job, and even the overtime. So for me, financial freedom is the main goal why we have this business, and we know this business can give us financial freedom because of so many business partners we have that they really made a change in their lives. So for me, financial freedom will create a better life for me. I can give more to those people who need, because sometimes it's not just like our family who really need money. So if we don't have money, how we can give? So that bring happiness and joy. At least we can help our family, our friends, and those people in need when we have that money. And also, I'm looking forward to retire early. If you have financial freedom, you can travel, you can enjoy and do whatever you want, and you can devote your time, and you have the time, precious time, to the charity you want to, because you're not working anymore. So you can volunteer to the church, you can volunteer to the ministry, or whatever your charity that you want. So financial freedom really has a lot of things to do for us, and that's our aim, to have this business.
Yes.
I think that's
And in adding with that, in additional to what you're saying, Sis Sherry, you have the ability also to help others, diba? You're financially free. You can help others through parang nagiging parang nagiging instrument ka na for you to help others as well, because you're already financially blessed, diba?
We can give back to the community. What we have.
Yeah.
Yes, that's true. Thank you, Ate Sherry. Ate Vicky, what's your takeaway in this business chat today?
Okay. Yung financial freedom, kasi karamihan mga sinabi ninyo, we have to work hard, and at the same time, kailangan din nating mag-invest yung ating mga pera to have passive income. Actually, I still don't have that totally financial freedom. Pero kaya ko ginawa tong business na to kasi alam ko na ito ang paraan para I will completely achieve yung financial freedom na syempre may mga dreams pa rin ako na hindi ko pa nakakamit, may mga goals ako. Kaya mula nung dumating tong business na to sa akin, ang sabi ko, ito ang paraan para makamit ko yung financial freedom na aking inaasam. Kasi halos lahat naman siguro tayo, may mga passive income tayo, na yung mga nag-invest tayo sa iba't ibang mga bagay, pero hindi pa rin sapat. Lalong-lalo na ako na magsi-60 na ako, no? I have that worries na yung aking magiging pension ay hindi magkakasya. Katulad ng nakikita ko dito sa mga matatanda ngayon, ano? That's why I have to save more for my retirement fund. At ngayon, kahit na may trabaho ako, na satisfying din yung aking kinikita, pero I need more para magkaroon ako ng peace of mind pagdating ng araw na ako mag-pension na. At ang paraan na nakita ko na hanggang ngayon ay pinagpapatuloy ko ay etong ating digital business. That's why I'm so happy na nakilala ko ito noong time ng pandemic, nung mahina ang trabaho ko. Ganon din siguro ang inyong naisip, kaya din kayo pumasok dahil for us to achieve that financial freedom, di ba?
Yes, totoo po yan, Ate Vicky. Yeah, I agree. Thank you, Ate Vicky. Thank you, Ate Sherry, for sharing those ones. Sabi nga, kung maalala nyo yung last episode natin na yung nabanggit na, nung previous one, like, sinabi ni Warren Buffett na if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die.
You die.
Yes.
So, pero again, it's not about money. It's not about having, pero sa likod nito, it's all about hindi tayo na-enslave sa pera or kang ano man ang ano natin, pero we are in control. We have the discipline, di po ba, bago makamit natin yung financial freedom. So it's all about taking action, ika nga. So being in this business, in this online business, gives us a bit of different perspective. It gives us a different mindset, ika nga. So why not join us, or why not start your own and become your own boss? Kasi who knows, having a backup plan or a plan B, it's really important. Kasi nga, paano pag nawala yung mga jobs nyo? Paano pag nawala si 9 to 5 regular jobs? Or paano pag nawala yung part-time, di po ba? So, saan ka magre-rely? Paano ka magiging financially free kung wala ka namang gagawin? So, parang we have to take action now talaga, and you work on it talaga. Hindi ka magkakaroon ng financial freedom kung wala ka namang gagawin, di po ba?
Agree.
All right.
So
That is really 100% there. You have to take action.
Exactly. Everyone has to take action. Ika nga. So thank you guys for joining us. Is there anyone who wants to add more before we wrap up?
Anyone?
I think we're good.
Yeah, I think thank you so much for joining us.
I think we're done. So thank you all.
Thank you,
your journey.
ladies. Thank you for
See you
listening
next
to
Your
week.
journey, everyone.
Yeah,
Yes.
thanks, ladies, and see you on the next episode, guys. See you again next week, and I'm sure interesting na naman ang mga topics natin na pag-uusapan. So thank you. Thanks for watching.
Okay, bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
See you
Bye-bye.
next
Ciao.
time. Bye, guys. Bye, ladies.
Bye-bye.